Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Jamila. I'm from SD 22A class and I will explain about character education. Then, Tree Education Center as a means character education of elementary school children. Nah, the globalization, along with the times, has a many positive and negative impact for every Indonesian citizen. However, not every citizen can respond well to the negative effect of globalization. The decline in the moral quality of the nation is one of the negative impact of globalization. The government seems to have begun to realize the importance of moral values for a nation. This can be seen by implementation of the nation moral development through character education in the national education system since 2018 until now, which is integrated in the 2013 curriculum. Character building of elementary school children can be done by instilling character values consistently. But when children are in the family environment, school environment, and community environment, with this consistency, the expected character can be well planned so that a good character is formed. Character education comes from two words is a character and education. Character education is a conscious and planned effort to shape a person's character or personality. Nah, character is a person disposition, character moral or personality that is formed from the internalization of various virtues that are believed and underlie the person perspective, attitude, and way of acting. These virtues consist of a number of values, moral, and norms such as honest, that are trustworthy, respect for others. Ministry of National Education 2010. And then education is a conscious and a planned effort to create a learning atmosphere and learning process so that students actively develop their potential to so have religious spiritual strength, personality, self-control, intelligence, noble character, and skill needed by themselves and society. Next, based on the four sorts of values, 18 character values were identified. The 18 character values are religious, honest, tolerance, discipline, strive, creative, self-sufficient, democratic, curiosity, national spirit, love of the motherland, rewarding achievement, friendly communicative, peace loving, love reading, social care, and care for the environment. Now, is the religious came by actively to ambition attitudes and behaviors in a carrying out the teaching of the religion they follow, tolerant of the worship and of other religions and living in harmony with followers of other religion. Next, Tree Education Center. Tree Education Center, the term Tree Pusat Pendidikan, is a term used by Indonesian education figures, namely Ki Hajar Dewantara. Ki Hajar Dewantara distinguished education. The tree education is called Tri Pusat Pendidikan. Nah, the three education center are the three education center which include education in the family, education in school education, and the community in education in society. Nah, number one is education in the family. Education in the family is a learning process that occurs with is a limited organization and has a minimum size, especially those who initially eliminate a bond. In other words, the family is a part of the total society that is born and residing in it, which gradually realize its characteristic as they grow toward maturity. The family is a multifunctional universal social institution, namely the function of social supervision, education, religion, protection, and recreation. And number two is in school education. What in school education? Education in school is a structured and specific educational path consisting of basic education, education, secondary education, and higher education. Schools have masters to guide, direct, and educate so that institution requires the presence of certain age group in the classroom led by teachers to learn a multi-level curriculum. Departing from this concept, school education in delivering and directing children to achieve an educational goal cannot be separated from the effort of teachers who have received a delegation of responsibility from parents or families, because based on religion, parents are not capable and do not have time to educate the right children well and perfectly. This is due to the limitation and business of parents in meeting the needs of their children at all times. Next, education in society. Humans are creatures who have the desire to unite with each other and surrounding environment by using thought, instinct, feeling, desires, and so on. Humans reach and interact with their environment. Patterns of social interaction are produced by continuous relationship in a society. Next, the basic road to education center is the family environment, school environment, and community environment. Now, the primary school is elementary school an educational institution that has educational objective. While the objective of elementary school education are goal number one, goal guiding physical and spiritual growth and development, talent and interest of student, provide basic knowledge, skill, and attitude that are beneficial to student. Number two, from good citizen. And number three, continuous education to the level of education in junior high school. Next, number four, have basic knowledge, skill, and attitude working in the community. Five, skill to live in the community and can develop themselves in accordance with the principle of lifelong education. Next, the role of the three center of education as a means of a character education for elementary school children is a very large, because in the information of the character of elementary school cooperation between the family and environment, the school environment and the community environment is needed. Characteristic of school children. The primary school period lasts between the age of 6 and 12 years. This period is often called the school period, which is the brief period of learning or school. Children we are need are more easily directed given tasks to complete, and then to be easier to learn habits such as eating, sleeping, waking up, and learning at a time of place compared to prep to preschool. The shaping in the character of school children. Based on this can be said that pre-education centers have a very important role in the formation of a child's character, especially elementary school age children. So, the role of the three centers of education as mean of character education for elementary school children is very large because in the formation of the character of legend of the character of elementary school children, cooperation between the family environment, the school environment, and the community environment is needed. Cooperation in terms of consistency in instilling character, values in the family environment, in school environment, and the community. With this consistency, the expected character can be well planned so that a good character is formed. For example, children will have an honest character in the family environment, school environment, and community environment. Instill teaches about the value of honesty. Based on this, it can be conclude that the the family that the three education center, namely education in the family environment, school environment, and education environment, are the right means in instilling and shaping the character of elementary school students. Okay, maybe that's all I can say. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye. Thank you and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.